Welcome to this presentation on Introduction to GridView in ASP.NET. In this session, we will explore how GridView enhances data presentation and management in web applications. As we dive deeper, you will discover the powerful features and capabilities of GridView that make it an essential tool for developers. Let us get started. GridView is a powerful server-side control in ASP.NET that allows developers to display, edit, and manage data in a structured tabular format. It supports data binding, making it easy to connect to various data sources, and includes features for sorting, paging, and editing, enhancing the user experience. The importance of GridView in ASP.NET lies in its user-friendly interface, which makes data interaction straightforward for users. It simplifies data management tasks like entering, updating, and deleting records. Moreover, its dynamic features such as sorting and filtering enhance data analysis, providing users with a more engaging experience. GridView is commonly used in various applications, especially for displaying list of departments, their managers, and other related data. It's particularly effective in admin dashboards where managing departmental records is crucial. For example, in a department management system, GridView allows for easy oversight of departments like finance, human resources, and IT. In conclusion, GridView is an essential component in ASP.NET for displaying and managing data. Its robust features and user-friendly interface significantly enhance the user experience and make data management more efficient. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video.